The pandemic has brought a wave of uncertainty into all of our lives, but that is especially true for anyone in the process of moving or refinancing their homes. And fortunately, here to answer some of the essential questions involving mortgages, rent, and the housing market right now is CEO of United Wholesale Mortgage, Matt Ishbia. Thank you so much for being with us. And Matt, I know so many people, and you know this too, are seeking that temporary relief from their home mortgages. What advice can you give them?
Yeah, obviously the pandemic's out there. People have job loss, and a lot of situations have happened to people. And so, forbearance is an option out there, and people are talking to their mortgage servicer about it. And the thing is, we're all in this together. So servicers like ourselves and other great lenders out there are here to help. So call your servicer, talk to them about it. And maybe it's the right option for you. Maybe it's not. Maybe there's other options that will help you out. But we're here for everybody. Everyone's trying to solve this together as we're all going through this together as Americans.
Yeah, a lot of people weighing their options. So help us determine if it makes more sense for someone to rent or to purchase a home right now. Is there a general answer? It's a difficult one that a lot of people are trying to figure out.
Yeah, well, right now, obviously, with job loss across the country, if you have a stable job, you feel good about where you're at, right now is a great time to buy. I mean, mortgage interest rates have never been lower, 30-year fixed rates in the twos. It's never been seen before. And so it's a great opportunity. Affordability's in a great position, too, because housing prices are good and rates are low. So you can actually maybe buy a little more house for the same price or buy that dream house for a little less payment. So it's a really great time if you can and you feel good about your financial situation and what's going on in the economy in your area.
Yeah, that makes sense. And I know a lot of people are now considering refinancing their home mortgages right now because of those interest rates. What advice would you give them?
Well, right now, with rates being so low, it's so important to shop. Findamortgagebroker.com. You can find a local mortgage broker that can shop between lenders like myself and other great lenders because rates are so different at every lender. If you're not getting a 30-year fixed rate in the twos, you're probably not getting the right deal because there's so much of that out there right now with the rates being so low because of what the Fed did and all tied to this pandemic. So that's one of the silver linings of what's happening is rates are really low. You can save money on a refinance or, like I said, buy a house a little cheaper than you would have bought maybe 4 or 5 months ago.
Yeah, that's definitely a silver lining in all of this economic news that we've been getting. And I know a lot of people are confined to their homes, whether they're of a certain age or have a compromised immune system. They really don't want to physically leave their home. So are there steps being taken right now in the mortgage business so homeowners can close title or refinance their mortgages without having to physically leave their homes?
Absolutely. So literally, you can do it all digitally, working with a mortgage broker, basically figuring out how to e-sign, electronically sign everything. You can send your docs securely via portals. And so really, you don't have to leave your home to do a refinance or buy a home. Obviously, to buy a home, you probably want to walk through it or look through it, but people are even doing that virtually right now. So it's available. Even the closing process can be done virtually. It can be done right now. It's being done every single day. Even appraisers don't have to come into the house with some of the great rules that Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac came out with, trying to make this easier during these times in America. So everyone in the mortgage industry is trying to help people take advantage of these low rates, take advantage of this opportunity out there for everyone while this pandemic is still going on out there and while rates are low.
Yeah, such good information for everyone out there. Thank you so much, Matt Ishbia. We certainly appreciate your time today.
Thanks for having me.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.